In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
She's listening.
All right, here we are at Indianapolis at the NRA show, and we are with a legend in the firearm community, Mr. Doug Turnbull. If you don't know this man's work, educate yourself. He's got the most talented hands in the business and creates some of the most beautiful firearms you've ever seen. Doug, thank you very much for joining us today out here. Tell me a little bit about what you have here.
Well, this is kind of the new to old. This is a brand new Winchester, U.S. repeating arms. And what we do is we get them in the white, order with some fancy wood. We weld up the tang safety, make it into an actual half cock. Then we go through and we do some detail preparation, do the color case hardening, rust blue, charcoal blue, add some finish to the wood, and really make this look like an old original 92. It's going to take down 45 Colt and 4440. And it shows everything we do. It shows the modern finishes, but it shows a lot of the restoration type of work that we can do.
Okay, so this is a blending of both your specialties.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
If you don't know, Turnbull restorations can take pretty much a block of rust and find the beautiful firearm that's inside of it and make it brand new. This is a melding of both old and new, and it showcases all the work that they do, which is beyond reproach in the community. Like I said, you wouldn't necessarily associate a Ruger Mark IV or a Ruger LCP or being something that's color case hardened, but they do it. And the job they do on it is magnificent. And
it's a great price point. So you can get something, a new gun, reasonably priced, with our old finishes on it. So it kind of, it's a stepping stone in. And then from there, you're going to end up sending a family firearm or a collectible gun, and send that in and have us do restoration for you. So it's a good stepping stone, as well as this is.
And it's got the Turnbull name and logo on it, so you're already ahead of the game with that.
Yeah.
But you're not just buying that, you're actually buying the quality, because it's not what you see on the outside of the gun, but how much of the work has been on the inside of the guns as well. Because I know you guys are renowned for the work that you do to keep everything mechanically perfect and reliable.
And we do that with these new projects. We go through and we do some little detail stuff so they are smoother. And
now I know that you have your personal gun here as well.
Yes, I do.
All right, you mind if we take a look at that? I know this one's got a little bit more mileage on it than the newer ones do, but this is, my God, this is beautiful.
This is an original 1886 receiver, built in 1887, converted to a takedown, restocked. We put a 475 Turnbull barrel on it. This was the prototype gun, and we went through, stocked it, polished it all out. We did a Winchester, semi-Winchester custom engraving, very, very similar, and did up. And I've hunted the heck out of this for the last 15 years. It's a great gun, great cartridge. It's been to Africa for Cape Buffalo. I've had some clients that have shot elephant, so it's a prairie dog to elephant type cartridge. It's a big cartridge, but you shoot a deer through the shoulder, you kind of cut around the hole. It's not like losing a whole shoulder from a 308 or 243. It's a great cartridge.
If you say you have this 15 years you've been hunting on it, and it still looks with just a little bit of wear on the chin weld, otherwise you couldn't tell it's been used at all.
There's a few marks. There's some marks. Scrape on the barrel from when I fell on a rock after I shot my sheep.
Well, it's not hunting unless you fall at least once.
Yeah, but I can look at it when I'm sitting in a tree stand and go, yep, I know where this mark came from, So you look at it and you can enjoy it. It brings the memories back.
It's fantastic. I know you also did some guns specifically for the NRA.
Yes, we have.
All right. I know they're on the other side. I won't have you drag them over. Yeah. We'll get some stills of them. Actually, you know what? We're going to call for assistance. Sarah is going to run over, and she's going to bring one in.
Yeah, we're working with Top Shot Armory, and this is an Ithaca 37 that we're doing in 3 different gauges for Top Shot, working with Ithaca directly. They send us the parts, we color them, send them back to Ithaca, they put them all together. So you can get them through Top Shot Armory in South Bend, Indiana. And then we also have, this is 90. Oh, the Henry? And we're doing a Henry, the Henry rifle series. It's 7 calibers. Again, we're doing the color case hardening
Oh,
on the
that's-
receiver, and it really changes the whole look. There's
That is
250
beautiful.
guns within each caliber. We get the receivers and parts from Henry, color them, send them back, and then they go on to Top Shot Armory.
And this is in 44 Magnum?
Or
is it 44?
This is a 44 Magnum.
Yep, beautiful.
The Henrys are $1,500. The Ethica 37 is $1995.
Now, we know that Henry's always been known for a tube-fed magazine.
Yep.
And I know that this year Henry's introduced a loading
Loading
gate on
gate,
the side. Are you
yeah.
guys going to try and get some of those in and work some of your magic on them?
We probably will, yes.
Good. That's going
Yeah.
to be an even more desirable
Yeah.
option for that.
Yes, it will be.
Fantastic. Now, listen, if everybody wants to check out your product, where can we get a good look at everything?
Yeah. On our website on turnbullrestoration.com. You can call us at 585-657-6338.
Fantastic. Doug, it's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
Everybody check out Turnbull Restoration, some of the most fantastic and beautiful weapons you're going to find on the planet.
Well, I think it's time we ask ourselves if we still know the freedoms that were intended for us by the founding fathers.
Senate rights when politicians